Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well and have peaceful and happiness in your life. So today I am gonna show you in this video the latest and beautiful crochet patterns for glass covers. Like glass covers can protect glasses from scratches, dust and other potential damage. And crochet glass cover can add a decorative touch to plain glassware, making them a stylish addition to any table setting or home decor. And I love these designs, the color scheme, each and everything. They are very easy to knitted and very easy to make. So if you're planning to renovate your kitchen, so do add crochet design patterns into your glass, or you can gift it to someone else. So if you are running a business related to crochet, so I would definitely recommend you to have this category as well. Like reusability of the glass covers can be reused multiple times, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. And crochet glass covers can be made in various sizes and colors, allowing for customization to match any decor or occasion. And plus it has the ability of gift, like crochet glass covers can make a thoughtful and unique gift for a friend or loved one, especially when paired with a set of glasses or bottle of wine. So yeah, if you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends, and let me know your favorite crochet glass patterns from this video. Bye bye, have a good day.